believer. G major chord. More like a bluesy kind of riff. It's just that. D and F, C and E, B and D, with a slide. I thought love was only true in fairy tales. G to D7 on the verse. Meant for someone else, but not for me. Now to C. Love was out to get me back to G. That's the way it seems, and down. Disappointment haunted all my dreams to D7. But then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, without a trace of doubt in my mind. Oh, I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't F. Leave her if I tried. And back to the verse. I thought love was more or less a given thing. And for someone else, it seems the more I gave, the less I got. What's the use in trying? Ba-da-da-da-da-da. All you get is pain. When I needed sunshine, I got rain. Don't forget the ba-da-da-da-da-da. What's the use in trying? What's the use in trying? All you get is pain. When I needed sunshine, I got rain. Then I saw her face. Can double it. Now I'm a believer. Remember from Shrek? At the end of Shrek 1 or 2? Without a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer if I try. If I tried, but then I saw her face. I believe, 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 I believe. I believe. I believe. All the people in the back. I believe. All the people in the front. I believe. Only the ladies. I believe. I believe. Don't forget to show off if you're at a wedding. I believe. All the ladies in the front. I